News from Delhi, and an IED or an improvised explosive device explosion has been reported in Rohini Court of Delhi. Local or homemade IED was used for explosion which was kept inside a tiffin box, in a box which was like a tiffin box. In fact, these are initial reports which are coming in which suggest that a laptop in a bag exploded. That was the initial report, but now Delhi police sources in fact have raised the alarm after finding nails and wires from the location, from the spot. The visuals on your screen actually are showing you the remnants in that particular courtroom where that explosion took place. Let me go across to my colleague Bhavtosh Singh for more. Bhavtosh, what do we know as of now?
Well, in fact, what has been confirmed to us by the top sources in the Delhi police is that they have found some screws at the spot. This is court number 2. In fact, if we can show it to our viewers, the visuals clearly showed that there has been a blast. What officers in the special cell of the Delhi police have told us is that there's a minor explosion that took place. This was an improvised explosive device that has been used. Now, this was kept in a laptop bag, and there was no computer or a battery or a charger, as was being told initially. The explosion took place at around 10:30 or quarter to 11, just as the courts were being open. And they have said that screws have been found at the spot. Now, this was captured by one of the lawyers on his mobile phone. They've also said that a crude explosion had taken place. Now, one must remember that around 2 months back, there was a shootout that took place in the same court premises between Jiten Gogi and his rival Sunil Tulli, in which Jiten Gogi was gunned down. That case is still being investigated by the Delhi police. Now, this in fact raises a big question mark about the arrangements that have been made by the Delhi police. In fact, Delhi police have told High Court that they have enhanced the security arrangements at all district courts. But coming back to what exactly happened here, the Delhi police have said that around early in the morning at around quarter to 11 or 11:15, there was an explosion in this bag. Now, the explosion was such that a tiffin box or a box was completely ripped apart, and the bag also was completely torn. And there was a crude explosion that took place, and there were screws were kept in this bag. Now, there was no high-profile hearing that was to take place in this courtroom. Now, the reason and why this happened is still not clear. But officers have said that they have reached the spot. Forensic teams have also been roped in. Now, the bomb detection center of the NSG has been also called in, because this is a crude explosion that have taken place. Now, earlier this year on 29 January, there was an explosion that took place outside the Israel embassy. And because in all such cases, terror-related cases or similar such cases, Delhi Police's special cell do call in the NSG bomb detection center, and they would be reaching the spot around 4:30 or 5 in the evening. Delhi Police's special cell has said that they will be filing a case later in the day.
Right, Bhavtosh, and especially as you actually gave a comprehensive roundup of the fact that this is not the first time there's been a security concern, actually one of the many probably that a Delhi court has seen. But just a few days back, we saw in the very same court, in Rohini Court, there was a security concern because of the open firing which took place over there. And now we can in fact see that there is an IED blast which is suspected at the Rohini Court in Delhi. Bhavtosh Singh, they're bringing us all the breaking updates on that.